Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgets Hump. In today's video, we're diving into some of the best smart home devices that you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home with smart plugs, enhance your streaming experience, or secure your property with a top-tier camera, I've got something for everyone. Let's check them out. First up, we have the Kasa Smart Plug Ultra Mini 15A. This tiny yet powerful smart plug works with Alexa, Google Home and IFTTT, giving you voice control over any connected device. Imagine the convenience of controlling your lights, fans, or even your Christmas decorations with just your voice. Plus, setup is a breeze. Just plug it in, connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. With the Kasa app, you can schedule your devices to turn on or off automatically, making your home even smarter. Next, let's talk about the Roku Express 4K Plus. If you're into streaming, this device will be a game changer. It delivers brilliant 4K and HDR picture quality, bringing your favorite shows and movies to life with vibrant colors and sharp resolution. The best part? You can control everything with one remote. No more juggling multiple remotes for your TV and streaming device. It also supports voice search and control, so finding your favorite content is as easy as speaking into the remote. And with Roku's customizable home screen, you get quick access to all your channels and apps. Moving on, we have the WYZZ Cam Pan V3. This is not just any security camera. It's a full 360-degree pan and tilt camera that can be installed both indoors and outdoors. It's IP65 rated, meaning it's built to withstand the elements. With its color night vision, you'll have clear footage even in low-light conditions. The motion tracking feature is another standout. It automatically follows any movement, ensuring you never miss a thing. Plus, with 3 months of Cam Plus included, you'll get smarter alerts for people, pets, and packages, so you can keep your home secure and reduce false notifications. Finally, let's talk about the Sonos Era 100 smart speaker. This compact yet powerful speaker is a must-have for any music lover. With a 47% faster processor and dual tweeter acoustic architecture, it delivers detailed stereo separation and deep bass that'll fill any room with rich, immersive sound. Whether you're streaming from your favorite music service over Wi-Fi or pairing it with a Bluetooth device, the Sonos Era 100 is versatile and easy to use. It also supports Alexa voice commands, so you can control your music, check the weather, and more, hands-free. So there you have it, 4 amazing products that can upgrade your smart home experience, enhance your streaming, and keep your home secure. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video on Gadgets Hump.